continue with the chapter, and next topic which we will discuss here is one question is written in front of you. Why there is time lag of 2 hours in sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? You have observed that Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state of our country. Arunachal Pradesh is easternmost state of our country and it is located here. It is this. And Gujarat is the westernmost part of our country. It is here. If you have observed the timing of sunrise and sunset, in Arunachal Pradesh, sunrise is earlier than the Gujarat and sunset is also earlier than the Gujarat. What is the reason behind this? To just discuss the reason, I will ask you a question. How many total longitudes are passing through India? How to calculate it? (68° 7' east latitude. If you will start counting from here, 68°, then 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, when you will reach up to here 97° 25', you will get approximately 30 longitudes. And in the previous video we had already discussed that 28°, 32°, 82° 30' is the middle one, center one, which we call it the standard meridian of India. This side approximately you will get 15 longitudes, and towards the western side also you will get approximately 15 longitudes. What is the reason to take 2 hours for the sunrise and the sunset from the easternmost and the westernmost part of our country? The reason is this. For crossing one longitude, sun takes 4 minutes. And how many total longitudes are there? There are 30 longitudes approximately. So, for how much time the sun will take to cross the 30 longitudes? We will multiply the 30 into 4. We will multiply the 30 by 4. We will get 120 minutes. Means total sun will take total 120 minutes to reach from easternmost part of the country, that is Arunachal Pradesh, to the westernmost part of our country, that is Gujarat. We are knowing that 120 is equal to 2 hours. Hence, it is proved that the sun, that's why the sun takes 2 hours. There is a time lag of 2 hours for the sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Thank you.